My name is Cristian Daniel Galnides. I live in the Argentina Villa. I like play soccer. I love rock music. My favorite food is the hamburger. I am very funny. I am too shy too. I have 18 years old. My favorite book is Los Miserables of Victor Hugo. My favorite holidays were when I went to Piscilagos. In this place, they had different exotic animals. There were many different types of slides. I had to bring bad clothes. The food was rice and fried chicken. In this place, there were 3 restaurants. The weather is very hot. This place is very big. I had to travel 8 hours in the car. This place is located in Tolima. Sometimes I am the sweep house. I always make to the bed. I cook sometimes. I 2 days on the week take up the trash. Rarely I wash the laundry. Often I move my house. I usually wash to the dishes. I never vacuum my house. I never iron clothes. I rarely clean the dust. I watch the reality show La Voz Kids. I watch soap operas La Gloria de Lucho. I read the book Los Miserables. I am listening rap music. I am watching the Shape of the World movie. I am listening popular music. I watch the news. I read the Blue Base book. At 7 a.m. I start to work in the farm. At 7 p.m. I start a study in the university. Spring. I wear 2 beds. I wear flip-flops. And summer. I wear 2 hats. I wear sunglasses. I fall. I wear 2 parka. I wear raincoat. And winter. I wear 2 earmuffs. I wear 2 mittens. I wear 2 jackets with a hood. I wear thermal underwear.